Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is going to be a Dollar General haul and a new Dollar Tree haul. So let's get started first with Dollar General. Now yesterday I did a haul. I bought a few items from here and there to get rid of ants and stuff like that. And I know how to make this homemade spray solution. And I got everything that I needed except one item. That's why I went to Dollar General. And this is the item that I did pick up. And I picked up this ant and roach killer. This is a gigantic big bottle of boric acid. This is the white powdered boric acid. Now you can mix this with sugar. You could put this in with like you can make a paste out of it and put it in cracks. I'm going to use this in my water, my special spray solution that I use to kill ants. And it takes like 6 or 7 ingredients plus this. And I needed this for like I said, for the ants. And this is also good for other stuff. It says it kills fleas, ants, silverfish, water bugs, roaches, blah, blah, blah. I'm just going to use this for ants. It says kills where they live, hide and breed, blah, blah, blah. I've been seeing a lot of ants coming in. I guess they're coming in from the backyard. And I'm going to be treating the areas outside of my property, inside the kitchen, places like that. Because I do store lots and lots, and I mean lots. I'm talking about years and years and years of supplies of food and all kinds of stuff. So I got to be on top of everything, cleaning everything, organizing. And I notice I've been getting ants now, like a little bit here and there. So I'm going to make a spray solution, and I'm using this with some other stuff that I bought from yesterday's haul. And then I picked up this what's it called? Kill Game. My son found this movie for $1. Looked it kind of crazy. Don't know what it's about. Don't know if it's scary or not. So I just picked this up at Dollar General. It was only $1. And then also at Dollar General, I picked this up. This was $13. This is the Flex Seal. I was looking for the black one. They didn't have it. They had white and they had clear. So I decided to pick up clear. This is good for leaks, for spraying all types of stuff in your house. Your roof, a little bit of edges here and there, ceilings, you know, whatever. Anything you have like a little leak or something. So I figured I'll try this for certain like little household projects or something like that. I've always seen these in stores, never tried it before. Like I said, this was $13. It says Flex Seal Clear, as you see on TV. And yeah, I'm just going to give it a try. So that's all I picked up at the Dollar General. Now for the Dollar Tree, guys. They have these. These are big white pasta strainers. You can put vegetables in here and rinse them real good. You can put your fruit in here and rinse them really good. You can put basically anything you want in here and rinse it really good, except rice. Do not put rice in here because the holes are big and it'll come out. But I like to use this for pasta and washing fruits and vegetables. So I got just an extra one of those strainers. Then we needed some more water bottles. I picked up the nice blue one, then I got the green one. Got this one for my son and the blue one for myself. And then also at Dollar Tree, I picked up another bag of this, the Zucca sugar. I did a video on this a long time ago reviewing this product. I noticed it's just a little bit smaller, but it's still okay for $1. So I just picked that up. I like to use this in my tea and stuff. I'm also going to try monk fruit extract, because I heard it's sweet like sugar and it's even better. So I'm going to try monk fruit. But right now I got this. And then I picked up 2 of these containers. Yeah, I believe it's 2 with the lids. This is good for storing foods and leftovers. I'm not 100% sure if these lids really work, if they really seal up really good. But this is good for like storing leftovers and stuff like that. So I picked that up at the Dollar Tree. Then also at Dollar Tree, I seen this yesterday. I didn't haul it. I didn't pick it up. But today I decided to try it anyway and pick it up. So this is the Simple Spa charcoal infused glove. And this is a regular little scrubby glove. And this will be good for using with my body scrubs in the shower. So I'm going to get this to use for that. Then also I picked up 2 Diet Pepsis from the Dollar Tree. I'm always grabbing Pepsis while I'm there. And then I picked up another hand soap refill. This is the spa soap. This is the white creamy one. Now, this is okay. It's not like the best, but it's okay. It still smells good. It still cleans your hands. And then I decided to pick up the blue one, which is my favorite. I have a whole bunch of these already, but every time I see the blue one, I grab them. So this is a really fresh, clean baby smell. I love the smell of that one. Then I picked up some Arm & Hammer Ultra Max body wash for my son. I got this for him. And then I picked up these Cheez-Its. Whoops. I picked up this 1 pack of Cheez-Its little crackers. This is the Cheddar Jack flavored little bag of crackers. Because if you go to those chip machines that you see in like the places, you see like those soda machines, and then they got chip machines, or you buy these separately like at food stands and whatever, they cost way more. So to get all in for $1 is cheap. Then I picked up this, I believe this is a powder scent, Secret Women's Original Deodorant. That's the original one. Then I found this Lady Speed Stick deodorant. This is zero, I guess it's zero aluminum. It doesn't have that in it, so that's pretty good. Then I picked up this Barkeeper's Friend cleanser. This is really good for cleaning your sinks and all types of stuff. So this is the smaller one, but for $1, you can't beat it. Then I picked up one of these again. This is another Bolero. This is the Awakening Eye Cream Pineapple. It's pineapple and cucumber eye cream. And these are okay. They're really good. They work. They're eye creams. So I picked up one of those. And then I picked up 3 little cute little coloring books again. This one's a different one. This one says Totally Possum. And then the papers here are all, you know, designed. They're like little coloring books. Cute. And then I picked up this one because it says Make Waves. And it reminded me of a movie from the 60s with Sharon Tate, and it's called Make Waves. Or it says Don't Make Waves, that's what it is. But this is a cute one. It's the same thing. It's like a little, whoops. It's like a little coloring book. If you see the pages. See? Really cute. Because the other day I hauled one that had a cat on it. It says Totally Awesome. And then now I got this one. It's got the cute little panda and the little pineapples. And the same thing. The fancy little papers. And then the last thing, yep, that's the last thing. Okay, the last item I picked up at the Dollar Tree is another one of these ketchup and mustard things for the barbecue. These are cute. One has a yellow lid, one has the red for the mustard and the ketchup, or you can put barbecue sauce, or you can even make your own homemade sauces and put them in here and store them in the refrigerator. Oh my God, look how pretty these are. They're so cute. It says grill and eat and chill. Repeat. And then this one has a cute little jar thing on it. It says good eats and barbecue. It says cold drink, good eats, and barbecue. I thought that was so cute. I like the way they look. See how nice they look? So anyway, these are perfect for barbecues. They're nice. So I picked that up at the Dollar Tree. And that's it, guys. That's all I picked up at Dollar Tree and Dollar General. I'm going to be making my ant spray to clean up and stuff. And I'm going to be doing a lot of projects today. So anyway, thanks for watching this video, and I will talk to you guys later on. Have a good day, guys. Bye.